In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Odoo. If you regularly manage work that repeats on a schedule, like weekly follow-ups, monthly reviews, or routine maintenance tasks, Odoo's recurring task feature can save you a lot of time. Instead of creating the same task over and over again manually, you can set it up once and let Odoo handle the repetition for you. To get started, open the Project app. From there, go to Projects and open the specific project you want to manage. This is important because recurring tasks need to be enabled at the project level before you can use them. Once you're inside the project, open the project settings. Look for the Tasks Management section. In this area, you'll find the option for recurring tasks. Enable it so the project can support tasks that repeat automatically over time. After that, return to the project itself and open the Tasks section. Now you can either create a brand new task or open an existing one that you want to turn into a recurring task. Inside the task form, look next to the deadline field for the recurring icon, which appears as a circular arrow. Click that icon to open the recurrence options. You'll now be able to define how often the task should repeat. In the repeat, every field, enter the frequency, then choose the recurrence period that fits your workflow. For example, you can repeat the task every few days, every few weeks, every few months, or even every year. This gives you flexibility depending on the type of work you're scheduling. Next, choose when the recurrence should end. If the task is only meant to repeat for a limited time, you can define an ending point. If it's something ongoing, select forever so Odoo continues generating future occurrences indefinitely. This is especially useful for routine operational tasks that don't have a planned end date. Before finishing, set the task's assignee, deadline, and any other details you need. It's a good idea to review these fields carefully so each future occurrence follows the structure you want. Clear task details help keep recurring work organized and easier for your team to track. Once everything is set up, the process becomes very simple. When the current recurring task is completed, Odoo automatically creates the next occurrence based on the recurrence settings you defined. That means less manual work and more consistency in your project management. Thanks for watching.